Fáilte roimh go fáil mí níos Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Le bhéal A1 topic a ceathairteag, Rannóg an Fhoghraíocht EA agus I fada A agus EA fada, ag díriú an Fhoghraíocht. Level A1, Topic 14, Section 9, Pronunciation, EA, I fada A and EA fada, focusing on pronunciation. Agus lamúna an difríocht idir EA, I fada A and agus EA fada, the difference between EA, I fada A and EA fada. EA agus I fada A agus EA fada. Beidh tú ag déanamh cleachta fhoghraíochta agus bháil liom go níoróch tú na difríochtaí idir na fuaimine. You will be doing a phonetic exercise and I want you to focus on the difference between the sounds EA agus I fada A agus EA fada. Éis go córamach leis na difríochtaí idir na fuaimine seo agus mé árá. And sin éist leo sa bhír éisteachta cuid a. Listen carefully to the differences between these sounds as I say them, and listen to them in the listening section, part A. Cuid a, Sealadach, das, níos measa, sean, shame, sean, ban, scéal, fear, brá.
Fhoghraíocht. Fhoghraíocht cuid a.
Sealadach, das, níos measa, sean, séan, seán, ban, scéal, fear, brá.
Anish, éist liom agus aber in mo dhiag, and now listen to me and repeat after me. Sealadach, Sealadach. Sealadach means temporary. Das, 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 nice. Níos measa, níos measa. Níos measa means worse. Sean, shan, shan, shan as in old. Shame, shame. Shame can mean a sign or to deny. Sean, Sean, the name Sean. Ban, ban, a woman. Scéal, scéal, a story. Fear, fear, a man. Brá, brá, fine. Cuid B, part B. Cláisic tú abertí ina bhfuil na fuaimine sin iontu, so you'll hear sentences with these sounds in them.
Cuid B.
Is post sealadach é. Tá an gceansaí sin go deas. Móhim níos measa inniu. is seanteach é. Bhfuil a dul ag snámh, is fearr cliste é. Is bean chairdiúil í, sin scéal má. Tá seán tín. Is brálam an bia an seo.
Cuid bí.
Is post sealadach é. Tá an gceansaí sin go deas. Muhim níos measa inniu. Is seanteach é. Bhfuil a dul ag snámh, is fearr cliste é. Is bean chairdiúil í, sin scéal má. Tá seán tín. Is brálam an bia an seo.
Is post sealadach é. It's a temporary position. Tá an gceansaí sin go deas. That sweater is nice. Mohíam níos measa inniu. I feel worse today. Is seanteach é. It's an old house. Bhfuil leat dul ag snámh. Would you like to go swimming? Agus inis aber im a dhé, and now repeat after me. Is post sealadach é. Is post sealadach é. Tá an gceansaí sin go deas. Tá an gceansaí sin go deas. Mohíam níos measa inniu. Mohíam níos measa inniu. Is seanteach é. Is seanteach é. Bhfuil leat dul ag snámh. Bhfuil leat dul ag snámh. Is fearr cliste é. He is a smart man. Is bean chairdiúil í. She is a friendly woman. Sin scéal má. That's a good story, or that's good news. Tá seán tín. Sean is sick. Is bra lum an bia an seo. I love the food here. Agus inis aber im a dhé, and now repeat after me. Is fearr cliste é. Is fearr cliste é. Is bean chairdiúil í. Is bean chairdiúil í. Sin scéal má. Sin scéal má. Tá seán tín. Tá seán tín. Is bra lum an bia an seo. Is bra lum an bia an seo. Agus inis lé amach iad os ord, and now read them out loud. Ag an fhoghraíocht an Fhoghraíocht EA agus E fada A agus EA fada úd den chníomhaíocht seo, you'll need the handout, pronunciation, EA, E fada A and EA fada for this activity, There's a link in the description box below to the handouts and the notes. Lay na habartí seo amach os ord. Read these sentences out loud. Lay na habartí seo amach. And now read these sentences out loud. Tuair ara don na sínta fada agus an fuaim nu. Pay attention to the sína fadas and the pronunciation. How did you get along? And now Rockamy Chi le chéile, and I will go through them together. Hain Sean go raibh sé sean. John denied that he was old. Hain Sean go raibh sé sean. Déanamh dinner das gach déirdín. I make a nice dinner every Thursday. Déanamh dinner das gach déirdín. Tá Pata ag Pather. Pather has a pet, or Peter has a pet. Tá Pata ag Pather. Bhí ban ag labhairt béarla ag an mar. There was a woman speaking English at the bar. Bhí ban ag labhairt béarla ag an mar. Has seachtar suas ag ceathrú tar éis a seacht. 7 people stood up at 7:15. Has seachtar suas ag ceathrú tar éis a seacht. Tá nead brá néata sa chrán. There is a very neat nest in the tree. Tá nead brá néata sa chrán. Jaar mé ma bhéir bhean. I cut my middle finger. Jaar mé ma bhéir bhean. Anis, éistlám agus cuir an sína fada san áid cheart sna habartí seo a leanas. And now listen to me and put the sína fada in the correct place in the following sentences. Is é an teanga I mo theachsa ná béarla. Is é an teanga I mo theachsa ná béarla. Fuair 400 euro a chathamh. Fuair 400 euro a chathamh. Bhí Seán ann ag leathuair tar éis a chathair. Bhí Seán ann leathuair tar éis a chathair. Féach an bhfear an mhéir. Féach an bhfear an mhéir. Tá mé ag léamh leabhar. Tá mé ag léamh leabhar. Tá béal brá beag agam. Tá béal brá beag agam. Tá mar réad sa bheanscoil I bhfear meanach. Tá mar réad sa bheanscoil I bhfear meanach. Agus níos na freagraí, and now the answers. Is é an teanga I mo theachsa ná béarla. The language in my house is English. I fada béarla. Fhoghraíocht cead €100 a thaobh. Fhoghraíocht cead €100 a thaobh. So 4 people got permission to spend €100. Bhí Sean ann ag leathabhairt tar éis a chathair. Sean was there at 4:30. Bhí Sean, S-E-A for the N, ann ag leathabhairt tar éis a chathair. Féach an bhfear an mhéar. Look at the man on the grass. Féach, F-E for the A-C-H, an bhfear an mhéar. Fair, the grass, F-E for the A-R. Tá mé ag léamh leabhar. I'm reading a book. Léamh, L-E for the A-M-H. Tá béal brá beag agam. Tá béal brá beag agam. I have a nice small mouth. Béal, E for the A-L, brá, B-R-E-A for the. Tá mar réad sa bhanscoil I bhfear meanach. Tá mar réad sa bhanscoil in bhfear meanach. Mairead is in middle school or secondary school in Fermanagh. Mairead, E for the AD, sa bhanscoil, E-A for the N, S-C-O-I-L. Tá mairead sa bhanscoil I bhfear meanach. So you'll notice that the pronunciation of the verb non-skull can be a little different based on the canúnt or the dialect. So canúnt Connacht, it sounds like this.
Non-skull.
Canúnt na Muan,
Meánscoil.
canúnt Ulla.
Man-skull.
One more time. Canúnt Connacht,
Non-skull.
canúnt na Muan,
Meánscoil.
and canúnt Ulla.
Man-skull.
So you'll notice canúnt Ulla is slightly different and doesn't really pronounce the A father. So if you're ever unsure about the pronunciation of a word or in a specific dialect or canúnt, you can head over to aber.ie and you can input the word you're wondering about and then click on the different location mark on the map and it will bring up the pronunciation for you. Again, the website is aber.ie and you can also find pronunciation for individual words on the teanglann.ie website. And on the teanglann.ie website, you just click on the pronunciation tab and it will bring up the 3 main dialects, Ulster, Connacht and Munster. Agus sin deire le Rannóg an Fhoghraíocht EA agus E for the A agus EA fada. Le múna an difríocht idir EA, E for the A and EA fada. The pronunciation of EA, E for the A and EA fada. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle, suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacinta.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas the Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh taobh as. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.